How to get rid of premium on Spotify. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I will show you how you can get rid of the premium subscription on Spotify, so make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to get rid of premium subscription on Spotify, you don't want to open the Spotify application because the application does not offer you a way to do so. So instead what you have to do is you just need to open up your browser and then you want to go to spotify.com and then make sure to sign into your account. Once you go to spotify.com and then sign into your account, you will see this kind of interface where you need to tap on the gear icon, which is at the very top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap on the gear icon, right over here you'll be able to find the option called premium. So just go to the premium option. Once you go to premium, you'll be able to find the option to change the plan. Now currently, personally, in my case, I've already cancelled it, but I'll show you how you can do that. When you come to the premium section, you should be able to go ahead and simply find the option called cancel premium or change plan, and when you switch your plan, you have to select the free version, and just like that you should be able to go ahead and get rid of premium on Spotify. That's all it takes to cancel your premium subscription on Spotify. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.